Welcome to the Center for ECOintention. In this 60-second video, we'll explore the profound concept of the unity of existence. Meditation connects us to the very essence of our existence. It's a journey of self-discovery where we find the unity that binds us all. Through meditation, we learn to calm the mind, open our hearts and embrace the interconnectedness of all living beings. The unity of existence reminds us that we are not separate from the world around us. We are part of it, and our actions ripple through the universe. In meditation, we gather in the circle of unity, transcending boundaries and creating a world filled with love, compassion and understanding. Join us at the Center for ECOintention to explore the unity of existence and embark together on a transformative journey within.